Today we're going to hook up the electrical components on the Smart Series Perfect Fit Kit and go through the calibration. One thing you'll need to before you get started is a paper clip or a small punch that'll be inserted into that hole to start the calibration. So let's hook up the wiring harnesses and we'll go from there. The black harness goes into the water valve and it's a pretty tight fit. And it'll only go one way, so you don't have to worry about it. And push in until you hear it click, and then you're good. The same with the blue harness. We'll go to the blue servo motor, and you'll push it in until you hear it click. And the same with the yellow motor. You'll push it in until you hear it click. Those are set up. Now, we can plug this main harness into the ECU assembly. Once again, it'll only go one way and it'll lock in. Next, we'll take the controls. This is the power harness. So this will plug into the black connector on the Smart Series ECU, and this supplies power to the ECU. We'll need to make the connections to the thermostat. This will be the blue wires. It doesn't matter on which spade that you push them on, but you'll just put both of the connectors on the male spades. Then, out of the main power harness, you'll have your blower fan switch connection. You'll make it. We're going to take the DER, and it'll have its own connector, and it will not fit anywhere else on the Smart Series ECU except in this one location. And just push it in until it snaps. Once you have everything plugged in, all you'll need to do is connect this to the two red wires to a 12-volt power source. When you see the ECU flashing, this is telling you it has 12 volts. With the light flashing, what we're going to do, put the fan switch to off, the mode to the dash position, and the temperature to cold. And that's where we're going to start out at. Now, with your paper clip or your pick, you're going to depress, you'll feel a button in here, and you're going to just push it down until the blower motor comes on, and it's going to go off. You're in calibration. At this point, just push your fan switch down, take the temperature and move it to hot, and take the mode all the way to floor and give it a second. You can see the LEDs are solid, not flashing, which means it's in the calibration mode and will begin to calibrate all the components. And when the blower motor comes back on high, that's going to let you know that it's finished its process. The LED is back to flashing red, and now at this time we can take our water valve, and you should be able to look through the water valve. It's wide open, and we'll close it. And then the same with the mode. Right now it's on the floor. We can go to defrost, and then we can go to face. And calibration is complete.